cruise news time, and look, this one's kind of unbelievable. A passenger rips the face mask off of a crew member, and nothing happens to the passenger. Are you kidding me? Cruise news. Let's talk about it. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Lido, Loca. I'm your host, Tony, here with the latest cruise news updates. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Easter weekend. Happy Passover. If you're celebrating those things, it's the big weekend for people in those faiths. So happy holidays. How about that? But look, did you enjoy the footage? I'm trying to learn how to use the 360 camera that I bought, the Insta360. It's got a lot of potential. I've got an interesting video that I want to show you of me walking the pier in Cozumel. I'll show you that. I might as well just show you that next because I'm a little hacked off about this news story today. Here's the pier walk at Cozumel. It's kind of fun. There you go. I really like this camera. I hope to bring you some more interesting stuff. And let me go ahead and get it out of the way. Let me quickly invite you to subscribe. If you like staying up to date with everything that's going on in cruising, please consider subscribing with the notification bell on. That way you don't miss out on any of these episodes. Helps out the channel. Thank you in advance. Okay, here's the story. Let's go back in time just a few days. We're on a cruise ship, and there's a passenger that wants to get a photo made with the crew member. And so the crew member obliges, which of course the crew member is going to oblige. The crew member is still wearing a mask on the cruise ship, as most crew members are. And I guess the passenger doesn't like it. And so right when the picture is getting ready to be made selfie style, before the person snaps the picture, they reach over and stick their hand into the face of the crew member and rip their mask off. I read the account of it. The crew member said that he could feel the guy's hands on his face as he ripped the mask off, and ripped it off with such ferocity that it made the person's ears hurt. What the heck? The crew member, of course, rightfully so, incensed that they would be so personally violated, and the passenger just laughed it off. Now, the crew member doesn't want to take a selfie anymore. They go off and just say, wow, that's kind of rude, and they go off and they don't take the selfie, and then they share this story online, and there's people that got the audacity, that got the gumption to call out the crew member, writing letters to the corporate office saying the crew member is unprofessional, and just because this jerky passenger ripped the mask off of them, that they should just roll with it, that they should just go with it, that and nothing happened to the passenger. They put their hands on a crew member and nothing happened to the passenger. This is ridiculous. I feel ridiculous that I have to say it. Don't put your freaking hands on anyone anywhere, whether they're an employee of the company that you paid for your cruise or not. What the heck? I get it. A mask are contentious. Some people don't like the mask, whatever. But look, the person that was wearing the mask has an older parent, and they want to make sure that they're doing what they can to protect their older parent. And I know some people are going to debate whether masks are valid or anything like that, but it doesn't matter. It's what that person thinks. If they want to wear the mask, then they can wear the mask. But how dare you? How dare you put your hands on a crew member? And I don't know. Look, I'm not a violent person. I'm a pacifist. I don't believe in it. I believe that rules are in place. I believe in order. I think that person should have been turned over to the security on the cruise ship, and somebody should have made a determination as to what happens to that person. Was the person drunk? Who knows? Who knows? But if they're willing to put their hands on a crew member, then where does it end? Where does it end? And of course, you may be wondering which cruise line this was on. This was on Carnival Cruise Line, and this happened to their most famous crew member, brand ambassador, John Heald. John Heald, certainly an individual that is cruise industry famous, cruise ship famous. He is known by probably millions of people, and so that's why people want to take a picture with him. But wow, is this how it gets in people's head, that just because somebody is in the public eye that you can accost them? It's crazy. I feel so badly for this guy. And again, he went on his social media and he shared the story, and people complained. Like, it was unprofessional that he did not take the picture with the person. Look, I'm happy to take a picture with anybody, but if you accost me, of course you're not going to get a picture. Like, how does that not seem logical? Why wasn't something done to these people? That's what I want to know. Maybe it's just a gracious forgiveness kind of thing. But I tell you what, if you accost me on a cruise ship, I'm saying something to somebody. Holy moly, let's keep our hands to ourselves, children. Wow, I don't know. Boom. That's your cruise news. What do you think about this ridiculousness? Was John in the wrong for not taking a selfie? What should have happened to that passenger? Leave a comment below. Thank you so much for checking out the show today. I hope you enjoyed it. You can show your support for the show by hitting the like button. And unfortunately, if you don't hit the like button, I'll be forced to punish you. And your punishment is this. That bag that you overpacked, the one that you put your wife's face cream in, or your shaving cream. Does shaving cream even exist? I don't even know. But whatever it is, you've overpacked a bag, and that substance has exploded, busted open all over everything, and now your clothes smell like lavender and barbasol. How about that? You don't want that. Hit the like button. This is Tony for Lido, Loca, and put your hands on somebody to... Have a great weekend, everybody. Tony for Lido, Loca. See you on the Lido. Bye. Wow.